The next apportionment paradox that we're going to look at is the new states paradox. And this is the scenario when reapportionment after an increase in the total number of states causes a current state to lose a current representative. Number 3 says, there are 3 departments at a college. The number of students enrolled in each department is shown in the following table. There are 19 clerical assistants to be apportioned among the departments. Use Hamilton's method to find each department's apportionment of clerical assistants. So as you can see, I've already worked through Hamilton's method off screen, and Department A is getting 14 assistants, Department B is getting 1 assistant, and Department C is getting 4 assistants. So now a new department opens up with student enrollment of 495. The division decides to have a total of 20 clerical assistants. If the clerical assistants are reapportioned using Hamilton's method, will the new states paradox occur? So as you can see, I've worked through Hamilton's method again, but this time with 20 clerical assistants. So after reapportionment, Department A gets 13, Department B gets 2, Department C gets 4, and Department D gets 1. So does the new states paradox occur? Well, if we compare these numbers with the original apportionment, Department A had 14, and they went down to 13. So yes, the new states paradox does occur because A has lost an assistant.